Are all chickens afraid of loud noises like fireworks? That is a myth. While many chickens do get startled by sudden loud noises, not all of them panic or show fear. Just like people, chickens have different personalities. Some may run for cover the moment they hear a boom, while others barely react at all. What matters most is their environment. If they feel safe in their coop, they're more likely to stay calm. Chickens that are used to everyday noises like lawnmowers, barking dogs, or passing cars might be less fazed by fireworks, but for flocks in quieter areas, those sudden pops and bangs can really be stressful. It helps to give them a quiet, familiar space to settle in before it gets loud outside. Many chickens will head into the coop early on their own, sensing the disturbance. So no, not all chickens are terrified of fireworks, but a little extra care goes a long way to keeping the whole flock calm and safe.